Good morning, this is your Shankar. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Universal Law of Gravitation. You know who is gravitation? Gravitation means it is Newton. We'll just try to explain. See, we are taking a two mass. For example, this is a mass. It can be anything, it should have mass, that's it. It can be an earth, it can be moon, it can be anything. So just name it as M1 and M2. So to make this understand, we are trying to give one example. This is for example, do not confuse with this law. This is for your example. Suppose we take two, a small size of magnet. Okay, so we'll have attraction. There will be an attraction will be there. If the magnet size is more, what will happen? Little more attraction will be there. The force will be what? More. If furthermore a very big size of magnet, what will happen? The force will also increase. So it's clearly understood that if mass is increasing, the force is also increasing. So we can write this as force is directly proportional to M1 and M2. Hope you are able to understand this. And second, same example we will try. See, there is a magnet, two magnet is there. We are keeping it closer, what will happen? We can able to see that what our hands will be pulling like this. This is because of the force of attraction. If it is near, force of attraction will be more. If the magnet is kept distance, then force of attraction is what? Very less. So, distance plays the role. So, we can write it down this as R square. So, more the distance, force is reduced, lesser the distance, force is what? Increasing. So we can write it this as force is inversely proportional to R square. Okay, now we can combine these two. Force is directly proportional to M1 and M2 and inversely proportional to R square. I hope up to this you are able to understand this. Okay, now to remove this proportion, what we should do? We should add G, that is constant. So we can write it down like this. F equal to G M1 M2 and inversely proportional to R square. And you know what is this? G is constant. So it is constant for all the equations. So we can write down the value of G is equal to, this is in SI unit. Okay, this is in SI unit. We can write it down 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Okay, 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. The unit will be Newton meter square kg minus 2. Okay, once again I am telling you G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square kg minus 2. This is an SI unit. So these are about the universal law. Just we can find it out very easily. We can work it out very easily. I'll just say it as a definition. So what is universal law of gravitation is force is directly proportional to mass of the M1 and M2 or between the two masses, and it is inversely proportional to the square distance between them. This is called as universal law of gravitation. Thank you.